I'm on a motorcycle, I just feel alive. That's where I feel good and alive. I've done it all my life, and it's a passion for me, and I can't imagine not doing it. It's just something that completes me, I think. I founded Carducci Dual Sport because I thought there was something missing that what I wanted in the market. I wanted to get back to something a little more elemental, a little more off-road focused, and so I decided to build this bike. We designed conversion components and a full conversion for converting a Harley-Davidson Sportster into an on-road, off-road dual sport motorcycle. The biggest hurdle to get over that I had was not the tools. The tools were there. I had AutoCAD, I had Inventor. It was getting the architecture right. I went forward, started solid modeling components and building piece by piece, building the bike. I started looking around locally for shops that were a little bit smaller that I could partner with, and I found Lux, local within 1 mile of my house. Lux Manufacturing is a medium-sized machine shop. They have state-of-the-art equipment, 5-axis CNC type capability for machining, CNC lathe. Once I got to the point where I wanted to start making the parts, I actually would just create the step files and drawing files to send over, and then as each piece was machined and brought home, that's where I did all the work, right out of my garage. I originally made this bike for me. This is what I wanted to do, and I had a build thread on Adventure Rider Forum, and I was getting a lot of interest on this bike. It's now up to about 200,000 hits of people on there, and I got to a point where I said, I think people are going to want this. I took it over to San Jose Harley-Davidson for a service item, and the service manager said, "You've intermixed enough of the Harley components with your components that all the vital components that we would work on are here, and we can build this for you." He says, "Are you interested in that?" And we said, "Yeah." When you're a small business and designing and making parts with suppliers yourself, you're part of the complete process. And to me, that's part of personal manufacturing. As a small company, with the tools that are now available, that we can do this. Autodesk Inventor and Showcase, and these are the tools that I've used for a while now, and they've evolved quite a bit. And a small business like me, I was able to afford the whole product design suite. And I think these are the tools that are enabling us to do these things. When I think of the new industrial revolution, I think about small companies designing specialized products, very nimble. Yeah, we're part of that. That's what we're doing. I've designed a product by myself on my own, started a company with my wife and I, and we're building products that people want ourselves.